County in western North Carolina, Jackson County in western North Carolina, South Central Haywood County in western North Carolina, until 12:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 11:51 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles southwest of Silva, or 4 miles southwest of Dillsboro, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Brevard, Silva, Colowee, Rosman, Webster, Dillsboro, Lake Tuxaway, Graveyard Fields, Looking Glass, and Black Balsam area. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling to 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page, or post it to X using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning. 5 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Saturday for the following counties in North Carolina: Haywood, Jackson, Macon, and Transylvania. The National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Macon County in western North Carolina, Transylvania County in western North Carolina, Jackson County in western North Carolina, South Central Haywood County in western North Carolina, until 12:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time.
Yeah, left in that bit of the beginning of that severe thunderstorm warning, since kind of got cut off where it said northeastern Macon County in western North Carolina, since my 257's siren was still going off at the time. But yeah, clearly with how this radio is made to be to where it'll only receive the strongest signal of a station picks up. Looks like I'm going to have to watch my signal on this thing.